Now, where do we go from here? Now, you notice that we've already retested that 5-day moving average and the yellow algorithm near to after hours as shown right here. So it's very important. You have to watch yesterday's video. Very important. I laid out quite some important macro structure you have to look out for, and that includes the dump here. If this wants to dump, it has to retest your 5-day moving average and grab the liquidity together with the yellow algorithm and the 5-day moving average. So pay very close attention to that. Otherwise, you take a look, we have already closed the cup. Now, this is very important because you want to be looking out for that structure if it continues to be controlled selling, and we grab the liquidity on the way up here. So pay close attention as well. If you've noticed, I talked about that blue algorithm, and you see how the beautiful rejection of that blue algorithm. So if this wants to continue heading up, you need to look out for that breakout of that blue algorithm from that stronger buying continuation structure, whether it's orange here or a stronger green. So just pay close attention to that together with the blue algorithm. This is quite important. You have to pay close attention. Now, if we do close the larger cups, I want you to pay close attention to that 5-day moving average here, and together with the QQQ's 5-day and 20-day moving average. So pay close attention. QQQ 20-day and 5-day moving average, they will be almost converging, and you will have clearer structure here. Pay close attention to that blue algorithm. You will see a very beautiful structure on the way down here, where the moving averages will have already turned into some sort of resistance in the structure and grabbing the liquidity there. Absolutely beautiful. Don't forget the large dump, if it happens, must happen where the 20-day moving average liquidity right here. Very importantly, you look out for that. If the market wants to grab further liquidity down, look out for that here. Now, by then, your 5-day moving average will start trending down. Not yet. If you take a look here, I have a video where I talk about how to be mathematically calculating for this. So you have to realize that the 5-day will start trending down after tomorrow. So you just have to pay close attention to that. And once it does, you will be ready. You understand where the liquidity will be and the potential for the 5-day, which is right here, to want to cross down to the 20-day moving average if this wants to dump. So you pay close attention to where 5-day opens, where 5-day closes, and that will establish your trading range for today and a rough estimation of the trading range for tomorrow. So just pay close attention to that. If the market wants to dump here, you will not miss out. There are plenty of confirmation to look out for. So just be more mindful of that. We have closed the cup. This forming the handle. Now let's see if we form a nested handle here. So just be more mindful of that. You understand what you're looking out for, and you know how to plan ahead for that instead of just calling the direction and hoping for 10-point moves both ways. I've shown you day in, day out. You just need half-point move, 1-point moves. You can easily get your 100% trade. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you closer to opening bell.